Hey, what's going on, guys? This is another nighttime routine. I am loving these nighttime routines. I also have a lot of old videos that I need to put up. These are some of them. So once I get caught up, you'll be able to, any suggestions that y'all have made, you'll be able to see them. So I hope y'all enjoy. Taco is going to literally be everywhere with me. It was a super busy day today. The girls were really tired. As you can see, they are already in bed. And like literally, yeah. Daisy is already knocked out. She's asleep. TV's on pretty loud, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna go in there and I'm gonna turn everything off, close the doors. I'm obsessed with closing all the doors because I have oils all through the house and I like them to be trapped in the rooms, and smells really good. Carly is still kind of awake, but she's like half awake, half asleep kind of thing. I'm just kind of tucking them in and just letting them get more comfortable and warm. I put the blinds up during the day because it gets darker for some reason when they're up, and then at night I pretty much turn them around. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I'm just giving them good night kisses. I do this literally, no joke, every single night. I have to kiss the girls good night, and I literally do this about 4 times before I go to sleep. So pretty much I tuck them in, and then I go back in there, I tuck them in again, I give them a kiss, and then I leave. And then right when I'm about to fully go to sleep, I go in there, make sure that they're fully asleep, and then I turn off the lights and I go to bed. So I hope y'all enjoy this really messy apartment. This messy apartment is literally all from today. So that's my crystal light, my salt lamp, I should say. I absolutely love it. So enjoy.
Brought you to the station, couldn't hold you back, feeling trains in motion, pushed me back to black, waiting on the phone. You left me all alone. Oh no. And I know I should have mentioned how my heart and my contention for the right to be the stronger one, the smarter one. But it wouldn't even matter, cause between us things were scattered, and the stitches wouldn't hurt no matter what we did. It doesn't even matter how much you mean to me. The only thing that matters is how you make me feel. It doesn't even matter how much you mean to me. The only thing that matters is how you make me feel. It doesn't even matter how much you mean to me. The only thing that matters is how you make me feel. It doesn't even matter how much you mean to me. The only thing that matters is how you make me And I know I should have mentioned how my heart and my contention for the right to be the stronger one, the smarter one. But it wouldn't even matter, cause between us things were scattered, and the stitches wouldn't hurt no matter what we did. from the ashes. Born 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 from the. You can't suffocate my spirit, 'cause I'm the king on my own throne, king on my own throne, my own throne. You'll never see me fall, fall. You'll never see me fall. Watch me reign, and I'll slay them all. Slay them all, slay them all. You'll never see me.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away, yet we keep coming back.